FC गोवान केरळा ब्लास्टर्साक 3 गोलांनी मारले. तिनूय गोल दुसऱ्या हाफात पडले. स्लॅपिस्कान पयलो गोल मारलो, सांतोसान दुसरो घालो, तिसरो परत स्लॅपिस्काचोच. 11 मॅचींतल्यान गोंय 15 पॉयंट घेवन तिसरे सुवातेर पावला. अजुनूय 3 मॅची उरल्यात. FC गोवाची फुडली मॅच नॉर्थ ईस्ट युनायटेड आड फातोड्ड्या 1 डिसेंबराक जातली. लायन रेफ्रीन मुखेल रेफ्रीक आदार करपाचो आसता, मात ह्या मॅचीक तोच मेन रेफ्रींग करतालो म्हूण कोच झिको उलयलो. केरळाच्या गोलकिपराची ताणें तोखणाय केली.
Gregory, super player as well. It's going to be important that they lead from the front tonight and make sure that both defences are really solid.
Enjoy the razzmatazz, everybody. Into the penalty area, big chance for goal. Off the inside of the post, and then amazingly, they can't finish the job second time around.
If he keeps doing his job like that, we're in again, John, here.
Straight away, I was going to say, it's the ball from Pearson. The chances at the other end for the Kerala Blasters. Full back the Kerala Blasters. David James doesn't get there now. He's on his ears on the deck. It's heading off from beneath the crossbar. Maybe it will be Pinheiro. It is Santos, and the ball is in the net. They have the goal. Slapichka runs away.
They wanted it to go. Bypasses everybody in the 6-yard box apart from the man on the far post. And it's a terrific finish. Little side foot, half volley, bottom corner.
They're ahead on all fronts. Can they find a second goal here? The queuing up in the centre. Past the goalkeeper. Into the net. It's goers night here. This is going crazy. Henry Santos arrived.
Calmly for him. Slipped it under the... Got another. Full of confidence now.
Feel for David James though. We saw how fast he was in the first half. Getting up. He can't get up at all here.
Great little one.
Match and match, as one of my colleagues would say. And Miroslav Slapichka, from having no goals at all until the last game here, has suddenly got 3. He's up amongst the leading goal scorers.
They were playing against a tidal wave of not only of emotion of attacking football from Goa. They managed to stab it for the first hour. And that's it.
What a night!
I have no complaints about the referee, the main referee. But about the line referee, I have so many things, because I don't think it is his role. I never agreed with it, that his role is to say when it's a foul, when it's something like that. I think he's there to help the main referee about offsides and help him in the difficult things. And he was refereeing the match. On the other side, there's a very good goalkeeper.
Mostrou por que ele foi titular da seleção inglesa.
So it showed that why he was the main goalkeeper in the England team.
Não sou olho grande. Para mim a vitória o time mereceu.
I'm not so great.
Criou.
I think the victory is victory. Our team deserved it.
Se fosse 1-0 estava bom também.
And even if it was 1-0, I would be very.
Vocês verem o quanto nós dominamos o jogo.
So, but we could see how we dominate the game today.
ऑस्ट्रेलियेचो उदेंतो क्रिकेटर फिल ह्युजेसान हॉस्पिटलांत प्राण सोडलो. सिडनी ग्राउंडार 2 दीस फाटीं ताचेर बाउन्सर बशिल्लो. बाउन्सराचो नेट इतलो आशिल्लो की ताची कानां फाटली, रक्ताची शीर भितरल्यान फुटली. ताचे मेंदवाचें ऑपरेशनूय जाल्लें. 2 दीस तो कोमांत उरलो. क्रिकेट ऑस्ट्रेलियान ह्युजेसाच्या मरणाचेर दुख्ख उक्तायलां. दुखवटो म्हणून डिसेंबरांत भारता बरोबर आशिल्ली पयली टेस्ट मॅच रद्द करची म्हूण कांय क्रिकेटर मागतात. दुसरे वटेन बॅट्समॅनाच्या हेल्मेटाचे सेफ्टीचोय प्रस्न उपरासला.
As you know, Philip was hit in the neck by a cricket ball at the SCG on Tuesday. He momentarily stood up and then immediately collapsed on the ground. Philip took the blow at the side of the neck, and as a result of that blow, his vertebral artery, one of the main arteries leading to the brain, was compressed by the ball. That caused the artery to split and for bleeding to go up into the brain. And he had a massive bleed into his brain. This is frequently fatal at the time.
इतल्यान हे खबराचित्र हांगाच सोंपता. नमस्कार.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. यू आर वॉचिंग प्रुडंट.